Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Op Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Are you ready to handle a local or long distance move and you need a cheap op moving company? 3Movers is not only an affordable option, but we also provide high quality moving services. Our team of movers knows how to move your home, apartment, dorm room, business, piano, furniture, equipment, or anything else. We offer everything you need to make your long distance move super convenient, including packing services. Save time and energy by letting us pack up for you and unpack at your new location. Moving supplies. Choose the best moving supplies and packing materials from us. An on-time move. Keep moving day on schedule with us. We will never delay your move or cancel last minute. Upfront pricing. You can trust a moving estimate from us to be accurate and transparent. Licensed and insured. We keep your belongings safe throughout the entire move. When you need to move one state over, a few states over, or across the country, we're here to help. It's overwhelming to handle this all on your own. Our team of movers will do all the hard work for you and make your move so much easier. In addition to local and long distance moving, our op moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.